Hey guys, it's Sam and welcome back to the BulbaSquad. So today we're going to be talking about Monarch, specifically the Monarch at-home pre-release kit. For those of you that don't know, I believe these were only sold through TCG Player. I might be wrong on that. No, there was another site, Flesh and Blood. So, on these sites you could buy the kit. It contains one booster box, two promo cold foils. I believe that is it. And the reason I want to talk about it is people want to buy Monarch right now, but they want to try and get a good price for it. And the other day I was looking at it and I realized there's a price discrepancy. Right now, that pre-release kit is the best way to purchase a Monarch booster box. Okay? To give you guys just a little bit of information, recently Rudy ran his Patreon sale and you were able to purchase a pre-release kit for, I believe it was $1,000. It was like $9.99, $69, I believe. So that was putting the booster boxes at about roughly $380 something. He added some extra price for the promos. So that was the price he set for them on a sale. Right now on TCG Player, the cheapest booster box is $524. They go a little higher, up to $550, $540, but we're going to look at the bottom. On eBay, we're looking at about a $550 booster box. Now, anyone want to take a guess at how much that kit is? Come on, just throw a number out there. Well, it's stupid. It's $550. Are you kidding me? Right now, there's like 5 kits on eBay. Buy it now, $550. Not bids, buy it now. You're telling me a kit that has 2, not 1, but 2, and not even rainbow, cold foil promos, is the same price as the booster box. Even if it was just $100 more than the box, I think that's stupid. Okay? Historically, cold foils, especially cold foil promos, have a tendency to, at release, they have a certain price, and eventually, whether from Playability or Legend Story Studios releasing the print run numbers, they skyrocket or price correct, whatever happens. So, you guys probably remember the Crazy Brew extended art, the Overflowing. That card, whenever Rudy and Channel Fireball gave it out, I believe it was a $75 card. Then they released the print run of 2,000 copies, and it skyrocketed to, right now it's about 360 bucks. You might be able to get it a little cheaper, but that's about the average. So, and then let's take another look. If we decide to just go back onto eBay, TCG Player, look at any promo cold foil. Hell, look at any rainbow promo foil. They're still worth something. Go look at the Arcane Rising rainbow young and old hero promos. They're still like 50 or 70 bucks. And they're just rainbow. Rainbow! Cold foil, as of right now, has not been reprinted in any way, shape, or form. Even though Legend Story Studios never specified that promos are free from reprinting, they haven't reprinted, so we can move forward assuming they won't. Just keep going, following the trend until they prove that you're wrong, that we had the wrong assumption and get screwed. It's all we can do. So back to what I was talking about. The at-home pre-release kit. Even if you pay $650 for this kit, it's not that bad of a price. Let's say theoretically it comes out. The price for the Monarch is going to drop, okay? It's already dropping. I think, like, as optimistic as I could be, like there's a triple rainbow outside, like, maybe mid 300s for Monarch. This set is crazy in demand. People love the set. The booster box actually looks cool. Like, people don't like Arcane Rising and Welcome to Wraith, and the set before this, Crucible of War, didn't even look all that great. Monarch actually looks incredible, and people are way more interested in it. I don't think there's going to be enough to suppress the price of it, and I think, realistically optimistic, we could see mid to high 400s. There's a good chance we're not going to dip below 500. And if we go with this information, right now those promos online, both together, you can buy them for about 110 bucks. $55 a piece. Really? Really? You're telling me cold foil promos. Cold foil literally anything. Like any set card, any promo. $55. What's going to happen? The moment they release the print run numbers, it's like, oh my god, there's only 4,000 of them. It goes up to $100 a card. I don't think that's that far-fetched. If that happened, this kit minimum would be a $750 kit. It's just such a stupid opportunity if you want to buy a box with a good value on it. You would not believe how many people told me I bought Rudy's kit because of the promo cold foil. How many people actually want them? Like, honestly, at that price, I'm probably going to scoop up a couple of them. I think it's stupid to not buy them at $55. Again, make your own call on that one. I'm just giving you the information because no one's talking about it. Even though Flesh and Blood is the talk of the town, no one's really talking about it, just pure investing wise, which I think is kind of weird. No one's talking about the pre-release kit that's stupid underpriced right now. So, that is my ramble. I have just thrown my thoughts out there. Pre-release kit, best value right now. You overpay by a bit, guess what? I think $100 a cold foil is perfectly reasonable, considering what has happened in the past. Considering rainbow foils hold as much value as they do. It just seems as though that is going to be the best way to get them. Because right now on eBay, as they're getting to people's houses, they're immediately offloading them. Why? They've already quintupled their money. But those people are being very short-sighted. Alright? Yeah, you get to make a couple $100. But if Monarch does what we think it's going to do, what I think it's going to do, Monarch could really become a $1,000 box by the end of the year, depending on, again, make it or break it time. If it makes it, we're all making it big. That's why I went ahead and bought a Crucible box. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Well, hey, didn't notice you there. Anyway, if you guys haven't noticed yet, or maybe we're not there yet, we made it to 400 subscribers, and we're really thankful for that. We're really happy. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking our channel, all the stuff we do. It means a lot to us. We really enjoy doing it. You notice I'm holding a Battle Styles booster box. We're going to be doing a giveaway for 400. Woo! Thank you guys for all the help and support. Now, if you guys have seen PokeGal's channel, you should go check it out. She does some booster box breaks where it's like a battle thing. 36 people each get a pack. You open the pack. Whoever has the highest valued card gets the whole lot. It's going to be a free to enter giveaway, obviously. So all you have to do, you don't have to subscribe. If you want to subscribe, cool, thanks. But you don't have to. We're not requiring it. It doesn't matter if you are subscribed or you aren't subscribed. Just come join the little fun battle. We're going to randomly do a we're going to do a live stream after we've randomly selected 36 people. And then we're going to open all the packs. And whoever wins, we're going to ship it to you. So all you got to do to enter, just go down in the comments, comment your favorite card from Battle Styles, and that's it. Don't got to like the channel, don't got to subscribe. Just enjoy the video. Alright? Thanks. Peace out.